Guys, we're back. This is the part 3. Sorry guys of the last video because we accidentally caught it. And same as the part 1 video. And this time it's Charlie, you already know that.
Yeah.
So at part 2 we was at the park. And Henry almost bit me. Instead he just bit Charlie.
I'm gonna do some jumping.
Do not break your backs.
I thought I was gonna fall. I'm going down.
Okay, we're going down the hill now.
Yep.
You know what? Let's teleport. I'll teleport you, so that means you're going to teleport. 3, 2, 1. No, do not look at me.
Okay, we teleport. Wait, where's Brody?
Oh my God! Brody! 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 No! Oh Jesus! Bro, what happened to my legs?
Bro, it looks like grass being on your legs.
Oh!
What?
Oh hell no!
Why is there a bike
Near to the sewer. Pennywise is real!
Oh God.
Right?
Yeah.
Pennywise is actually real! Right? Then if it's fake, then why are there like... Oh no, not this deep bit again.
Oh, Brody's gonna step in it again. Hold on, Brody.
I bet I can go down there.
Oh, wet mud. Ew.
Yeah, I hate it.
Careful not to fall, Brody.
Yo, imagine if...
Whoa, I nearly fell down there.
Oh, it is shaking though. Oh,
Oh, God.
Jesus. Oh. Oh. I bet I can stand there, like down there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, Humpty Dumpty stand over. Humpty Dumpty. Oh, I'm actually touching it. I'm like, oh, I thought you were going to throw down the phone, but do not.
Yeah.
Oh no, guys. Okay, hold the phone now. You're stealing me. Just make the guy like the people laugh. No, I'm not gonna stop. I'm back. Guys, I'm back. I'm literally done that. I literally done. Bella clones. Bella. Wait, why is there a second sword?
What?
Do you recognize me, Bella? He just...
Oh. Bella's doing a poop.
It's meant to be you over here.
Yeah. You picked the water for me.
Finally, we can step on the water.
Well, not really.
Wait,
Well,
I saw my footprint. You see my footprint
oh, yeah.
when I was standing on the water.
Why is that a true story when I look in there?
Guys. Oh yeah, but guys, I need pee pee. Where am I going to pee? We need to.
I'll cut the video for you if you want.
Alright, we can continue our adventure.
Okay, guys. I just uncaught the video right when Brody stopped doing his thing. Yeah! Let's teleport. 3, 2, 1.